Want me to hold it sideways like that?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
There's so much snow. You don't? Ready?
Yep.
Messed up there.
You gotta get you gotta let the wire close up a little bit, alright?
Yeah,
You gotta get you gotta get closer to the plate. So go and try that again. So push down a little bit.
Okay. Still had that bead looking straight.